Do you want to save time while mixing and mastering? Well, this is what you do. Number one, mix templates, mastering templates. Does a mastering studio or a mixing studio or a recording studio set up their equipment and then break it down and then set it up again and then dismantle it over and over and over again each time there's a new song recorded or mixed or mastered? No! All their equipment is set up and any new equipment gets added as they go along, but you need a mix template. It will save you so much time, and I have specific videos about this. I'm going to have a new one coming up very soon because I've been going through my plugin folder and making new changes and whatnot and breaking it down to the very bare essentials. Anyway, mix and mastering templates, big thumbs up. Number two, checklists. Now I'm going to link to all these different web pages, but a checklist to go through so that you don't forget something. Very, very important. So I would compile the best of these checklists. So for example, I'm scrolling through all the stuff. All right, so we got the mix prep part, organizing the session, and creating the buses, crossfades. This is all stuff that you do before you start twisting knobs for like EQ and whatnot. But yeah, this article is huge because it's so important. It really is. So anyway, I'll link to that. And yeah, I'll link to this because I don't want this video to be like an hour long or even longer. But yeah, good stuff, guys. Here, this is another one. Look at this. This is wild, right? So anyway, I think Isotope has their own. Yeah, here's the Isotope one. So it's just things about loudness and crossfades and spectrum analyzers. Good stuff. A/B comparisons. And I mean, my biggest tip really would be Slate VSX or Acustica Audio Sienna. It has absolutely changed my mixing and mastering. And I thought I put the air conditioner off, but I guess I was wrong. I literally started recording right after the air conditioner cut off, but I guess I talked for too long. So that's my cue to wrap up. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video to be valuable, hit the thumbs up button. I'll make more like this. Basic stuff, but very important stuff.